I have a question for you. Wewe ni fan wa timu gani?
Jezi pekee inasema.
Okay, I want you to name 20 players wa Manchester United and the country they come from. Yes, number 1.
Utanipea players ama nikupe?
Unapeana player alafu unapeana the country yenye anatoka. Ama unataka nikupe?
Staki, unaweza jipea.
Okay.
I'll try by deal.
Yes.
Anatoka Turkey.
Yes, number 2.
Sean Lamens, Belgium.
Number 3.
Diogo Dalot, Portugal.
Number 4.
Nous Mazarawi, Morocco.
Number 5.
Leny Yoro, France.
Number 6.
Matthias de Ligt, Netherlands.
Number 7.
Harry Maguire, England.
Number 8.
Luke Shaw, England.
Number 9.
Patrick Dogu from Denmark.
Number 10.
Diogo Leon, Paraguay.
Number 11.
Manu Ugarte, Uruguay.
Number 12.
Casemiro, Brazil.
Number 13.
Mason Mount, England.
Number 14.
Kobe Mino, England.
Number 15.
Bruno Fernandes, Portugal.
Number 16.
Joshua Zexi, Netherlands.
Number 17.
Tyrell, Malaysia, Netherlands.
Number 18.
Matthias Cunha, Brazil.
Number 20.
Benjamin Sesko, Slovenia. Unataka mwingine? Brian Mbeumo, Cameroon.
Yes, number 22.
Amad Diallo, Ivory Coast.
Number 23.
Andre Onana on loan, Cameroon.
Number 24.
Marcus Rashford on loan, Barcelona, England.
Number 25.
Jadon Sancho, England.
Number
Aston
26.
Villa on loan. Unataka mwingine tena?
Yes. Endelea wote.
Si ndo kazi ya watu wa comment section, mnataka mpe kila kitu. Tuambie wengine.
Okay.